Inventory is one of the largest assets that a company will have. It accounts for much of a balance sheet and, equally as important, contributes to much of the work in an organization. But is it the most important resource? Some would argue no. People are a very important resource in every organization and equally, if not more important, than the inventory you hold. With this in mind, how can an organization get these two very important assets and resources to work together for the better of a company? To put it bluntly, training. Having a strong, knowledgeable, and skilled staff can really impact an organization for the better. Inventory management training will give employees new skills, the latest ideas, and best practices in both inventory control and management. When you train employees, especially in inventory management, you ensure that they are ready to help a company succeed and that the goals and objectives of an organization are ready to be met. When a company invests in inventory training, you better equip people to manage inventory in an effective way. They have the tools they need. Training and regular kata helps people improve their knowledge, know-how, and skill set. Ultimately, this enhances an organization's operational efficiency and reduces wastes that are associated with inventory. Another benefit of successful inventory training is that when you train one person, you are in a way influencing others. If training goes well for someone, they are more likely to share information with others, and that can act as a form of yokoten. So, what are the benefits of effective inventory control? Effective inventory control and management is at the center of both operational and supply chain excellence. The benefits of educating people with regards to inventory will help you manage inventories effectively in terms of stock levels, operational efficiencies, and it will have a positive impact on your customer service levels. In addition to this, properly trained employees are better able to prevent defects and avoid costly mistakes. Employees who have sufficient training understand the details of their job and require less supervision. This ultimately allows a company to put more time and effort into other areas like continuous improvement. Another very beneficial aspect of employee training is that it has been shown to improve an employee's satisfaction and boost their morale. Employees who are part of training feel valued and appreciated. For the business, this is a critical part of sustainability planning. Trained employees are more prepared to take on new responsibilities. Keep in mind that training is a very strategic activity that takes a great deal of effort and thought. It is essential that inventory training is part of an organization's business strategy. While we must acknowledge that no inventory system will be perfect, the result of effective training will be obvious. You will see waste eliminated, employees better able to handle issues, improved inventory turnover, reduced operational costs, and ultimately, greater profitability. Well, thanks for watching this video on inventory training. Now, before we go, let's see if you can answer this question in the comments section or upcoming assignment section. Have you been part of inventory training? If so, what type of training did you take or receive? Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you back here on Lean Strategies International LLC, where you can find solutions that ignite your power.